This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning, and welcome to session number 2. In last session, we started a concept in session number 1. Yesterday session, we discussed about the history of the Python, who is the technical mind behind this technology, and when the first version was released, and what is the present version we are using. Yesterday, we installed the version number 3.11.3. Yesterday, we installed the Python software on Windows. Third step, we launched the Python console. Like this is a prompt. This is a prompt. That's all. This is our yesterday session information. Simple. See, history already you have in the documents. Like images are available. Installation.exe file we downloaded from the Python org website. Next, if you want to launch the Python console, come to the start button. Type Python 3.11 64-bit. You are seeing it's the application. Just app. Click on this one. Yes, these three greater thans are there. When we install the Python software providing two types of environments to you. One is this Python console, only to execute one line functions only. Second one, Python IDLE also you will get. I will show you. IDLE means integrated development and learning environment. Learning environment. IDLE. Integrated development and learning environment. Learning environment. So what is the use of this one? Na? Your line number 18. What is the line number 18? Python console. I mean, wherever you have the prompt, that console means just blue color screen. Plus editor also you will get here. Editor like a notepad. Like a notepad you will get. So what is the purpose of the notepad? You can build the programs to execute the Python function. There is no one option, sir. We are going to see 5 to 6 environments. Sorry, Python ideally, and next Visual Studio Code I will explain to you. Next Jupyter Notebook, and same way Python. Even Notepad also correct. So many editors are there, but at the end of the day, that all are just like a notepads only. By default, when we install the Python software, Python console you are seeing on the screen, this is a console. And if you come to the start button, no need to install any software. Python is providing this one. Python is providing this one. No need to install any software. Type IDLE. Hurry, based on their requirement, mostly Python. Mostly we will work on Python based on the requirement. Even Visual Studio Code also best option. That depends on their requirement. Which one we will use? So out of this one, you are familiar or habituated to which one you can use it. But better to practice on Python and Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is like a notepad, like how you are seeing this screen, blue, black color screen. same one. But we don't know how to install these selected elements. Today we are selecting Python IDLE. By default, which is available. By default means when we install the Python software, you will get that one. Try to type IDLE, just to type IDLE, that's all. Only type IDLE in the start button. See, Python IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment. Click on that one. That's all. This is the same prompt now. See, your this screen and this screen, same prompt only, same information. Even a single line also there is no difference. 1 second, I am expanding this either sides. See, same information, same prompt only. But what is the benefit now? Here you have extra options are there: file, edit, share, debugging. A lot of options are there. Not only one thing. Yesterday you observed one element maximum length after the installation in the customization mode. That is related to debugging, analyzing the script. So now onwards, instead of this first blue color screen, backend script, ideally shell I am going to use. Ideally shell I am going to use. Right? Why? Because here you have a editors also there. I am not moving to that editors concept at this point. Just close it. But it's a integrated environment. Integrated. Even you can create the programs, you can run the one-line functions. And then we selected 6 alphabets in this training to start the journey. Actually, Python is famous due to it contains huge collection of modules. Means someone already written the code, package or module. Someone written the code. Someone written the code. Just you have to use it. Remember this syntax for some up to classes concept. If I'm calling this is a one module, if I'm calling this is a module, any module contains functions. Modules contains functions. Like yesterday we saw like one function named DAR. This is a one function. Or directly you can write any name like ABC is a one function. Like XYZ is a one function. And a module may contain classes. This is a new word for us. Very first time we are just to remember. That's why I'm saying that one. Classes. Classes. And a module can contains variables also. It is not correct time to learn classes concept, but I will give to you overview. What is a class? For example, you are filling one job application. In the Xerox center, there is only one copy is there. Only one copy is there. That is a biodata form. This is in the Xerox center. There is only one copy is there, but there is a 10 people are there. For example, name, education qualification, yes, like age, other detail, address, some other thing. So what they will do, sir? What they will do? I want to get 10 copies, but the person don't want to give the original copy. Simply, this is a original copy. If you take the Xerox, after taking the Xerox, you will write your name. You will write your name. You will write your name. You will write your name here in this way. You will write in this way. You will write your name. Right. So this is a one simply Xerox copy of a original copy. So when you taking the Xerox copy, When you take the Xerox copy, this is an object. With the object, you can modify your data, but should be name, education, age, address. That is fixed. You can enter the related values. Name, one person name. Qualification, one designation. Virtual copy, you cannot do anything. Virtual copy is a class. I written my details now. That is a object. Object is nothing but a blueprint of the class. Why? Because name, education, qualification, age, address is there. One more example. Try to understand. That's why it is not correct time to discuss this object class concept. For example, I want to construct 10 model houses, 10 or 100 model houses. I want to construct it. Same. Everything should be same. That is a model. Same houses I want to construct. 5 or 500, anything. I want to construct some houses. Same. Everything should be same. On paper, I am giving a blueprint. On paper, I am saying that one. So make it 4 rows and door information. Everything I am saying that one. Where we should maintain the rooms, exit room. Yes, everything I am saying this one. So this is a plan, building plan. Based on the building plan, we can see this is a building plan. On paper, it is available. Then after I am constructing the houses. We are constructing the houses. Physical existing one is an object. So here one person can come. Syntax is same. I mean, here maybe 10 members will leave and they will maintain any their articles in any area. But all are the objects. These all are object, physical existing objects, physically available. This is on paper. This is on paper. Simply, this is a blueprint. Blueprint of your version. Blueprint, simply. Object is a physically existing object. Physically means really that is available. Object is a reference of class. It's a reference of class. Remember, in Python, everything is object. In Python, everything is a object. Everything, almost everything is a object. I mean, you're constructing building means that plan is already there in the form of class. Everything is object. So class is not what class contains. What class contains? Class contains again same. Similar to module. A class contains, for example, this is a class. What class contains? Variables again and not call the functions. Here just to call methods. I know very well it is not correct time to explain the classes. Mostly after 30 hours, 30 hours only we have to learn the classes concept. Every time I'm going to use a word object. So you have to get more clarity. At least clarity is required. Detailed information is secondary. If I call anything as object, the object should be associated with one class. Anything if I call object, blindly you have to raise a question in your mind. The object belongs to which class? For example, this building object. This object is developed based on this plan. Na? This is a class. Building plan is a class. It is an object. If you know the object name, How to find out the class? Yesterday I provided one name, type. Out of 6, this is a one. I put some star symbols also. Type function will give the answer. Just supply the object name. Okay, just come back here. Come to yesterday's concept. So module means, as of now, remember, collection of variables. You don't know even variable also. Names remember. And classes, functions. Simple classes name in this way. Function means contains the brackets. Classes means with the class we cannot do anything. Like building plan is a class. Building is a original element. Object is required. Okay. Now at this point it is not useful for us, but when we enter to data types, it is very useful info. Right. What is the yesterday 6 methods? I said these are the basic things I said na. DAR, help. Third one is a type function, ID function, length function. Next, print function. Yes, what is the use of DAR in MS DOS? You know MS DOS? MS DOS. If I go to the start button, type C MS DOS. I'm not talking about the Python. What is the use of DAR?
Say directory.
If I use DAR of D drive, what it is doing? DAR of D drive, it is list outing every element in the D directory or not? DAR of directory name. DAR directory name. Even see DAR of directory, it is MS DOS. Same way, really these are all are built in. These first two are, I'm writing one word, powerful built-in function. Built-in, automatically you are getting 50% answers you are going to get first three only, sir. If you are completely new to here, I'm explaining from the scratch first of all. Unknown things information we can find out from first three only. DAR, help, type. What is a DAR now? What DAR will do now? Syntax is very simple. At Python prompt, DAR of any object name. Any object name, any module name, anything if you provide, what we have inside of the that given object, everything it will list out. DAR of, even there are two use cases are there. DAR normal one, DAR object name. Object name is that is up to us. You can use in two levels. DAR empty one if you are using na, only DAR empty one you are using. For example, this is a one DAR of object name. See, for example, this is my Python console. I'm just using case sensitive carefully. DAR enter. See, when we open the Python console, some modules are loaded here. Okay, what is this one? For example, how to store a value into any variable? Is there any idea? For example, I want to store a number 20 into one variable. How to store it? Which operator we will use?
Equal to.
Equal to. And taking one
Achha,
variable name. I'm storing a variable name is A. What is the meaning of this one? Number 20 you are storing temporarily into one variable. Fine. Okay. Now dir of A, if you use it, everything is object only, sir, here. Almost everything is object only. Yes. If you store something, call A, fine. Working. Now I am asking dir of A. Now I am introducing one more point. What is A? What is A?
Very well. Very well.
Yes. What is A means if you ask type of A, simply what is A? If it gives something class and some class name, it is an object, sir. If written with class keyword, if you use type of A, if written it like class some name, any name here, that is a particular class. See, type A, type A, type A. A is a object of which class?
In, integer.
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 Integer. A is an object. I mean, A is a Xerox copy. One class is there with int. One Xerox copy is be selected with A equals to 20. This is a Xerox copy. This is a Xerox copy. One more Xerox copy also you can take it. B equal to 30. Fine. Again, you can store B equal to 30. Type of B. B is a class of integer. Integer is a class. Integer is a class. For example, what? Definitely a class containing so many subcomponents. A class contains so many subcomponents. How to list out a class information? Okay, A is a A equal to 30 or B equal to 30. Sorry, B equal to 30. B belongs to B's object. It is pointing to the class int. What are the elements are available in int class? How to find out? I want to know.
dir.
I want dir. Oh, to open anything, sir. Inside, if you want to see dir, which one you want to see? Int. That's a interrelated operations came. See, interrelated operations came. Interrelated operations came complete. We don't know anything, but some result came. Int. Here you can use int or integer object also fine. Integer object, what is that on the screen? Dir of A. Both are same or not? See, both are pointing same or not? Integer A means
Yes.
integer A, it is integer only. Dir of A means it is integer, or else directly you can write the int. Simply one line statement, dir after you can write the object name or class name or module name or anything if you provide, just it will look inside of the given object. List out inside elements of the given class or object or module name, anything. You want to see inside of there, you can use it dir. Dir inside of the parenthesis brackets, either class name. For example, I'm writing A equals to 20. If I'm asking who are you A? I am a object of int, it is saying to you. Dir of int is correct, or is dir of A is also correct. Both are pointing integer only. Both are pointing integer only. Sir, if you use only dir, what is the difference between these two lines? Dir, this is a common activity we will do. If we don't know anything, dir of this one. For example, just try to understand. We have upcoming days OS module is there. Very famous one, very famous one. Any type of people, we need to learn OS module. First of all, see, I'm taking that module to here. Don't worry, what is the word I'm using? What is the OS? First of all, who are you? Who are you, OS? Who are you? I am a module class. Module. Module. Okay, if you are a module, do the operation. Inside of this one, I have this much of things. OS module inside. So your dir, how you are doing here in MS DOS, you are using dir of D drive. D drive inside elements it will
Excuse
print.
me. Excuse me. So that you are giving the directory of OS and is listing out. So these are the functions which is help to understand, help to get the any result or against the OS. Correct?
But yes, correct. But one statement is wrong. We cannot say directly, is it function? This is a function. How can we say that? It is not possible. For example, your question is, what is a P open? Otherwise,
Hmm.
you can take any one of the element. For example, I want to know what is a ABC. What is ABC? Who will give that answer? What I am? Who are you? Who are you? Answer. Who will give? Who are you? Answer. Who will give? Who are you? That is your question. For example,
Type
what is this ABC? Type. Absolutely. Yes. Type. ABC came from where, sir? From where it came?
OS.
OS module.
OS. OS
Yes,
dot is a
OS.
linguist. See, it is saying that one I am a module. The same way if you want to ask write. Type OS dot write. I am a function. Yes. Everything is getting or not. Type is giving lot of answers or not.
Okay.
But leave it about OS model. It is not correct time, so I'm not entering to here. Simply, what is the dir will do? Dir is nothing but list out the inside elements or not.
Yes.
Dir of it will list out. And if I use only normal dir, I'm not providing anything, sir. I'm just providing only normal dir at a Python IDLE. Python IDLE. Python IDLE, this is a one. If I use only dir, no element inside of the brackets. See, you don't think for some days anything starting with underscore, leave it. This first line you can leave it. For example, I'm writing z equals to some number. dir. Is there any change to previous result to do now?
Yeah, change it.
It is added or not?
Generated.
Yes, simple sir. Session level elements. Session means this blue color screen. Session level elements will be added to dir of only. For example, if I take a new session, again I'm coming to Python IDLE. If I take new session, completely new session, if I use dir, other than starting with underscore, will I get anything?
Like a first,
Directly I'm using dir.
it's just like a first row.
First one. So whatever you are creating from your end, this is the session level. Session level means this blue color screen. If you close the session, it will vanish or not? Yes or no? If I close the session, will I get again ABC? Will I get again ABC?
No, that's only for particular session.
That is up to this session only. This session only. So your A is up. For example, this is the one. If I'm writing A equal to something, dir of A. Yes, A will be added here. If I write B equals to some name, dir, B is added. Once if I close the session, these two will be vanished. only the default elements, but which are starting with underscore, underscore, double underscore. Everything is important. We are not going to ignoring anything. Due to this one only you are working.
What
For
is that
example,
underscore? What is that underscore annotation built-in stock loader? What is this?
yes. For example, from where dir function is working, from where this dir is working. Okay, we are directly working. So everything is useful. But see, for example, I want to know what is this one. I don't know who are you. I'm asking underscore underscore built-ins. Who are you? Who are you? It is a technically good, but how to provide in the with Python console? How to ask who are you?
Type,
Type.
Who are
type
type type type underscore underscore built-ins.
built-in
Spelling not in any single core double quote, sir. See what is saying that one?
Model.
class model.
It is a module. Module. So if it is a module, can I use dir? Can I
Yes,
use dir? Module means so many inside elements are there. Like previously integer. Inside of this one, so many things are there. That's why inside of this one, that's why we are using your dir. You are using dir. Due to this module only, you are getting the dir. Due to this module only, you are getting the dir. Due to this module only, you are getting the id. Yes or no? The six function, whatever we selected, which are available or not closely observed here. Yes or no?
Yes.
So the default ones, due to these defaults ones only, we are using our modules. But I'm saying to you, leave it that components. We are just started our journey. So due to that one only, the modules are working. Due to that one only, your modules are working. Yes. You may have one question from where, sir, this thing type of thinking is required, from where this function came and how to use it, what is inside of it, how to take the help document. Yes, lot of questions we have to when you get lot of questions, sir, you will get the clarity. Simply dir, only if I use dir, nothing. I'm not providing anything here. If I provide anything underscore underscore doc underscore underscore documentation, something it is giving. If I provide only dir, only providing dir, what it will do? What it will do? Only dir. Session level loaded elements information. Elements information. Elements means maybe variable, maybe module or class, anything. To find out this one, type use it. Yes, for example, if I am using z equals to 20, dir of z is added or not? Z1 equals to some number, dir of added or not?
Yeah, added.
So dir we can use in two ways. First one is directly dir, blue color screen. I mean session, we will call session or blue color screen. Loaded items are elements.
Oh,
And
Naga, I
second
have
one,
just one.
yes. Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah, sorry, Naga. Actually, the thing is, this is clear. The only thing is, like, if you put like value like a equal to 20, but if you type in dir hyphen like brackets and you put it a, like, over there, then why we are getting so many other values? Can you repeat that concept one more time? The other concept is fine, like it shows dir bracket shows all the objects, modules, and all the elements. But if I, let's say, if you have put in z1 equal to 20343, if you just put dir hyphen z1, it should show only 20343, right? Why is it showing the other stuff?
Because inside has like a just only one thing such as storage. That's why they just show the only one, and those things has like a too many models inside. That's why they so that more than once.
Fine. Okay, let me complete. Sir, if you provided DAR of only empty one if you are using, so to run your Python software, minimum required things, these all are starting with underscore underscore. Okay, directly you are how you are using directly DAR. For example, how you are using directly type. Definitely this should come from one modular. No? Everything is module only here. You are
Yeah.
using type directly. For example, if I am not explaining anything about DIR, what generally we will, for example, I am taking new Python console. If directly I am coming to use ID of A equals to 30, type of A. Now the question is from where this type is working. Definitely type is not coming from sky. Should be from one module. What is that module name? Definitely minimum things are required to start the Python console. The minimum things are starting with here underscore underscore underscore. This is one. But we are not sure what is this one. Who will give that answer? What is this one? What is this one?
DIR.
Yes. So simple. To run the Python software, if you use dir of empty, session level loaded items. Item means, for example, this is a one is there. What is this one? We are not sure. What is that one? Type of. What is this one? It is a dict object. Next one, type of underscore underscore built-ins. Built-ins. It is a module object. Type of DOC. It is a none type object. All are these. Yes, we at this point we don't know what is the use of that one. I'm just explaining to you only this element. Whatever you are using the functions that are coming from here, that inside of so many functions are there, 6 we are using. The 6 are loading from this module. Are you believe this word?
Yeah.
Absolutely. These are coming from here. Who is loading this one? I mean, when I open the Python console, I am directly getting who is providing this one?
Those are inbuilt modules, right?
Yes, inbuilt. Okay, this is a module, but who is providing this one? Who is loading this line up to here?
DIR.
Python. Yeah.
Ideally,
Python ideally developed by this one. Okay, if you go to the blue color screen,
So Naga, in this session, if you just type in dir hyphen a, like in a bracket, you put it in a in the old session, so
definitely,
it
sir.
will show.
I will come to that point. And first of all, I'm
Okay.
trying to explain it to empty one. Is it clear? First of all,
Yeah, yeah. Thank
load.
you. Thank you.
Okay. Now, if I'm storing one number, for example, a number is nothing but like a Xerox copy I'm giving to you. You're asking, give me one biodata form. So immediately what I'm doing, I'm providing to you one original copy is there. I'm providing a Xerox copy. This is a biodata form. Singly, this biodata form is nothing but your A. A equals to 20 you're writing. Now tell me in biodata form, only page are inside also some components are there or not? In biodata form, some sub-components are there or not? Like name, display name. For example, one more example. Let's see. For example, B equals to I'm providing Naga. What is a B? What is a B? Definitely object. Which class object?
The
Which class
string.
object?
String. String. No.
String. Now the question is, if I use dir of B, I am getting almost some extra elements. I am getting. This is that our friend question. What is all this? All these you can operate on your string. All these are the maybe methods, maybe variables. You can operate on this string. Your string object, which one? What is it? Which one? B or not? For example, one example I will show you. B dot I am writing something is there. I will explain to you from the scratch, but just identification purpose. B means Naga. B dot upper. B dot upper I am using. But who are you? Upper, who are you? Are you variable? Are you object? Are you what is who are you? Type upper. You will get a beautiful error. How to call? From where this is coming? How you are getting this result? How you are getting this result? When you
Directly.
call the B, you are getting this result. Am I right?
Yeah.
Even if you want to know upper, B dot upper, you have to use dot. What it is saying that one? I am a function. We have to use the brackets. So something changes there or not your original output to by using this function. Is there any change to your original data to this one?
Yes, now.
Yeah.
Yes. When we use dir of object name or dir of class name, which will list out available operations on B. Available operations on B. B is nothing but a string object. Similarly, if I take a number dir of A and 300 is object number integer on 300 or A object, we can perform all these operations. But how to use it, we don't know. So upon A object, you can perform all these operations. Is it clear, sir? Why we are getting this list?
Now, apart from these objects, we can't able to do more objects which are listing DAR.
Yes. What is the element you are using? What is the A now generally? What is the A? What is the A?
A is the
What
A
is the
integer.
is equal to 300
A is an integer.
integer object?
integer.
So
Yeah.
inside of this one, not only class, what I said here, what I said inside of that one, not only object name, what we can put it, anything, object name, class name, module name, anything you can write dir of something. What are the inside operations? For example, if you use dir of D drive in MS DOS, what you are getting?
The
Directory.
directory of
D drive element,
Yes.
subcomponents. Am I right?
Yeah.
If I call dir of integer or dir of I'm writing a equals 20. Dir of a, what I will get? Both are same. What I will get?
Both are same.
Yes, integer related
All
class.
elements.
Simple, sir. Come back. Is it clear about the dir function, sir? Just to inside operation, if you want to see inside look of any given element, just use dir of some object name. Okay. Next one. This is ultimate one, sir. Completely document help. Sir, here one more thing. Maybe if I'm explaining all things at a time, you may not get the clarity. Maybe 50% only you will receive. But once we will do the practice, very now today you will may get 50% only. Why? Because I'm using empty one. Maybe there is small confusion in your mind. Maybe, but maximum content I provided. DIR is nothing but list out. Sir, you are not getting DIR information. How to get? I'm not getting anything. For example, DIR is a function. DIR some object name. If you provide inside of that element, you are getting. But I am not getting what is exactly DIR. Any type of question. Any type of question. Use help. See, help of what is the you want to know?
help
What is
of
the
the
element you want to know?
DIA.
DIR.
Yeah, yeah.
That's it. Any questions are simple. Any question like general doctor, general MBBS, like any question you can give it. So it is a built-in function. If you called without any argument, without argument means empty one, no element inside of this bracket. Written the names of in the current session, current session scope. Otherwise, if you use dir of a, dir of object name, dir of class name, if you write something, nothing but else, written an alphabetized list of names that are attributes of the given class. How simple it is? You don't read the total line. You can understand up to this area only. For example, I have a one more function is there. What is our second function? Third function type. I want to know more details about the type. Sir, listen carefully. While taking the help, I am not using the brackets. Just to write the keyword only. Write the keyword without any single quotes or double quotes. What is the type? Ah, see, double click on this list. What is the type? What is the type?
Type of
Object.
object.
Type of object. See, type containing help on class type in module built-ins. So, type containing so many things. See, type underscore underscore call. Just scroll up. Static methods, base. Some elements we have. See, type. Who are you? Type. Who are you? Type. I'm asking question by the type only. I am a object of whom?
Class.
Class. So, what is the inside of type? How to see? Class inside of type. How to see? What is the inside of class? Like,
Double quotes.
no, no, dir of opening
Type.
dir not.
Yeah.
See, all these are available or not. Here also available or not. Underscore
Yeah.
underscore MRO. These one only are not. Flags, everything is available or not.
Yeah. Everything on the go.
Type will give to you what is the object type. dir is nothing but insertion, like operation, what we inside of that one. But help is the ultimate one. You can take any type of help. For example, help of ID. ID on the screen, fourth one. I don't know anything about ID. 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 Return the identity. Identity means number, address number of an object. Objects are really available. Classes are just a definition, blueprints. Now, give me one clarity. Is it clear about these three things? Dir of object name, help, and type. Again, I'm saying that one type object name is required. Any some object name. Is these three are clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
hi,
Yes.
hi Naga.
Yes, sir.
So, if you are not able to identify the type, let's say it is a mixture of integer and string, how does it give the output? Let's say variable has both numbers and the alphabets.
So give me one example, sir. I will try that one.
My age is 26, something like that.
Pen cutting.
Okay.
He said my age, 26 together.
Okay, this 26. No, no, equal to 26, sir. Generally 26. This one.
Together.
Generally 26. My age is
Okay.
26. Yeah.
Age is 26. Okay. What is this one? First, it is not identifying this one. For example, it is a string means generally what we will use? Singular double quotes. Are you agree this one?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. It is accepting. It is accepting. But I am asking, who are you?
String.
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 Simple. Here, just a variable is like a reference. You are loading into a variable my age. But even if you directly providing, it is clearly saying that this is a string object. Interesting,
But
huh?
it has a number, right? 26, so it's supposed to be, integer,
Yes.
right? String and
No, no.
Now,
integer.
what is this value? What is this value? 2 plus 4?
24.
6. I mean,
That is the thing.
String.
that's
6.
yeah.
The concatenation. When you write in the single quotes, it's a concatenation. Side by side, it will come. Single quotes. Like hello, H plus E, LLO, hello, like that. Concatenation. Like for example, good plus 2 plus morning plus all. See?
Good morning. Good to morning all.
But don't try one number, one string. This is wrong. It's a pure number. Yes, even if you have a doubt, who are you? Type 2. Type 2. Who are you? Type
Integer.
double quotes 2. Who are you?
String.
If I try to add, how can
Error.
you add integer and string? Not possible. That is a plan.
Uh, so it is simple. If you have the double code, it means no,
String.
Integer.
integer. If
String. Sorry.
yeah.
String actually we will call integer string. Even here also we can provide the solution, but need some time. Definitely solution is possible. This is your expected answer, but need to understand the functions. Answer is possible. Whatever you are expecting, the answer is possible. But as of now, one number, one string. Anything between single quotes either sides or double quotes either sides, that is a string only. Visibility is like a number, but not number. If it is a number, no single or double quotes. Directly. But it is a string. One character. It's a one character, just a character. Just a character. Okay. So out of 6, so these regularly we will use. Really, this 3 will give to you any type of any type of question, basic information you will get. Basic information you will get. DIR is nothing but what inside we have. Help. Start with the type. First, any type of question if you get, first to type and object name or class name or anything. Next one, help. Next one, DIR. This is a process we have to follow. Any type of question. Type will give to you who I am I. Documentation. And that object, what are the available operations? So tomorrow I will start one concept. Very first concept. Actually, I said 6, but I am explaining only 3. Don't worry, this you will get in the next session only. ID. Find out this one. This is small assignment to you. What is the ID? What is the length? And one example. What is the friend? One example. Find out what it is and how to use it. Help document. Provide one example. This is a small assignment. Small assignment. What? 3 questions. What is it? Nothing but type. Help document. Help. What are the inside operations? Here of object name. So maximum help you will get the here only. Here, what it does, this question answer you will get here only. Do the 4, 5, 6 next session. I am going to start very first concept of variables. Today we are using a equal to 20. but not that way. I will explain very, very detailed first of all. Then we will start it. Right? So tomorrow onwards, the new link will become set. That link will be available to you almost 10 days. So tomorrow I'm going to change the link. End of the day, I will share the link. I mean, for example, you are from EST zone. Again, now maybe it is 9 p.m. in your country. 9 p.m. Am I right, sir? 9 p.m. I think so. You will get a. I will update the link after 12 hours. After 12 hours. So for anyone from India, so after I mean tomorrow onwards, we have a new link. New link. I will shortly update in the group. Thank you all. And shortly I will share the recorded session notes and everything. You don't worry about
Uh,
that component.
yeah, sir, a small quick question. So whatever that happens in the morning, the same happens in the evening too?
Yes, sir. Simple. That is the main plan of our training. Even if
Okay,
you
so
miss
in
the
case when we anything for any sort of issue, so we can attend the same thing in the evening, right?
same link and same topics are daily. There is no change.
Sir,
You-
sir, history comments also please share, sir.
No, I'm not getting your voice, sir. Please repeat the same thing.
History, history of comments. What to type
Okay,
in the
sure.
ideal, right? It was,
Yes, right. You are correct. Just it's a matter of control S only, sir. There is no other thing. History also I will
okay,
share
fine.
it, but we are a very beginning level, na, that's why I'm not sharing. Okay. Now
Ah,
onwards I
not a
will.
problem, sir. Thank you.
Yes, please.
Thank you very much.